One of our most recent clients is a hometown hero. They moved here from Iowa.
They filled out their application. We had their pre-approval letter ready within like 24 hours. And that's always our goal, is to get people out searching as soon as possible.
What's up, everybody? Ricardo Burton here from Better Homes and Garden, and we have
Ashley Hass with Atlantic Coast Mortgage.
We wanted to share with you one of our recent client success stories.
So we had a recent veteran who purchased on a lovely new construction home with you and I. Do you want to tell us a little bit about how you found the client?
Yeah, so Jay, one of our most recent clients, is a hometown hero, him and his fiancée. And they reached out to us because they were referred to me from a past client that purchased last year. They moved here from Iowa, and they were looking to get to a home so they can, create a better living for their family. They were PCS'd here, and they have growing kids.
Yeah, so Ricardo sent them my way because I'm one of his preferred lenders, and we work together so very well. Mm-hmm. And we got them going really quickly. They filled out their application. We had their pre-approval letter ready within like 24 hours, and that's always our goal, is to get people out searching as soon as possible. So he's active duty, so of course we want to utilize the best benefit there is, which is the VA benefit. And then I also let them know about another wonderful program we have here in South Carolina, which is SC Housing. So SC Housing is a down payment assistance program, but it also works even if you don't have a down payment. So even though we're utilizing a VA loan and we don't have a down payment, we were able to utilize that program not only for their down payment assistance to help cover all the closing costs, but also their lower interest rate, because this was during my favorite time of year, Palmetto Heroes. Yeah, so Palmetto Heroes is specifically for veterans, police officers, educators, a couple other people, medical professionals, for example. But it's a program that's used in the spring typically, and it goes very fast because, as he said, it is based on the amount of funding that they have available for it. So we tell people, don't wait until the spring to plan to use it, plan ahead of time. That way, just like our buyer, you were ready to go when it comes out. So I did a couple of people who got to use it this year. It comes with the same 10K like SC Housing offers, but it comes with a significantly lower interest rate. This past year, the interest rate was in the 4s, which if you've been following interest rates, just does not exist and may not exist for a long, long time. So We were super excited for him that he got to utilize the program.
And it's so important to use a local lender and a local real estate agent in your area, no matter if you're relocating and you're not local, or if you are local and there's agents that are out there that are looking for a quick buck. There's some agents that are transactional and some agents that are looking to help people out, such as myself, such as Ashley. And we just want to make sure that you understand what you're getting into, the options you have, and make sure that you are doing what's best for you, and we're doing and having your best interests at heart. Because of course we know so many new construction agents and new builders that have all these significant, amazing programs, but when you go into a new construction office, that agent is working for the builder. You don't have anybody to have your back when it's time to go through that transaction and make sure timelines are correct. Make sure, I'm sure you've heard many different horror stories when working with new construction. There's so many out there that, you're always going to find something, but there are positives as well. So just make sure you have someone that will have your back, and that's what we're here for. One of the funny things is when we were talking to Jay and his fiance back in April, they didn't think that there was going to be enough time because they had no idea what the structure and the time frame of what goes into doing a new build. They thought that they weren't going to be able to start looking until mid-May. We were already under contract, that weekend that they got pre-approved from Ashley. So just being able to know what's out there, what your options are, and what the process is, make sure that you talk to a professional like us for real estate and for your financial situation, to make sure that you have everything that you need in order to be successful in getting into real estate.
So we were super excited for our buyer. Ricardo and I love working together. We love helping people, not just in Charleston, but in South Carolina as a whole. So for me, definitely, if you have anyone who needs a home loan, please reach out to me. If you need anyone who has any questions about buying or selling, Ricardo is your guy.
And it doesn't just have to be in the Charleston area. It can be anywhere in the U.S. or anywhere in the world. There's always somebody that's going to know someone who is in the area that you need. So if you're relocating from Boston, where I'm from, New Hampshire, California, Texas, we always have agents that are like-minded like us, and we'll be able to refer you to them in order to get your house sold or to help you in that area. So we have a huge referral partner network, and we're here to help, no matter if it's here or there. So if you have anybody that is interested or has any questions at all with no obligations, please feel free to give us a call, and we'll talk to you soon.